That's kind of a loaded question because it really depends on what your skin type is. Fairly complected folks who are the most affected by the sun and get sunspots and dilated blood vessels, etc. The best procedure for someone in that category is something called an IPL photofacial, or you can do a laser photofacial. And what that does is it targets pigmentation induced by the sun. So, the brown spots that you may notice on folks' faces. And also you can target broken capillaries and dilated blood vessels that you might see. So it really targets all of the brown and the red, purple blemishes that are caused by sun damage. And that really does a lot in terms of turning back the clock and brightening one's skin tone or just giving the skin a little bit more pop. For darker complected folks, sometimes the issues that bother them are related to their pore size or to melasma, which is pigmentation that you might see along the cheeks or on the forehead. And again, laser treatments are typically the best for that. There's a whole host of different lasers that you can use for that. And last, just a very simple procedure that can be done to give the skin a little bit of pop and to brighten someone's complexion. It's just a simple chemical peel. And that's a very superficial treatment that helps the skin exfoliate and will just give the skin, pop for a few weeks. That pretty much sums up how you can brighten your skin.